Bugatti has unveiled the Destrier, a one-off hypercar created through its bespoke Programme Solitaire division. It is the third unique commission after the Brouillard and FKP Homage. Based on the track-focused Bolide, the Destrier features a completely new body, inspired by the iconic Bugatti Type 57 SC Atlantic, one of the most beautiful cars ever made. It keeps the Bolide's W16 engine but is designed as a luxurious grand touring hypercar, focusing more on style, comfort, and exclusivity than outright track performance. The Destrier uses the same carbon fiber monocoque as the Bolide but gets completely new bodywork. Inspired by the Type 57 SC Atlantic, its design is cleaner and more sculpted, with fewer aerodynamic elements than the track-focused Bolide. The iconic Bugatti C-Line has also been redesigned, while new lighting, a wider horseshoe grille, an integrated rear wing, and larger rear haunches give the Destrier its unique look. At just 1 meter tall, the Destrier is the lowest Bugatti ever built. It sits on 20-inch front and 21-inch rear wheels, with its proportions inspired by a medieval warhorse, which also inspired the car's name. The one-off hypercar is finished in a unique Sapphire Celeste paint color created specifically for its owner, along with polished aluminum details and tinted exposed carbon fiber accents. Unlike the stripped-down interior of the Bolide, the Destrier features a redesigned cabin focused more on luxury and craftsmanship. It combines ambre Voyager leather and nubuck upholstery with a custom 3D knitted fabric woven with copper yarn, giving the interior a more refined and exclusive feel. Hammered metal details on the door handles, air vents, steering wheel hub, and entry plates highlight the Destrier's medieval-inspired theme. A subtle French flag is also included as a tribute to Bugatti's French heritage. The Destrier is powered by the Bolide's 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing 1,600 horsepower. Bugatti has not revealed its performance figures, as the Destrier is focused more on design, luxury, and craftsmanship than outright speed. The Bugatti Destrier is a unique one-off hypercar that combines the extreme performance of the Bolide with timeless Bugatti design and luxury. With its 1,600 horsepower W16 engine, carbon fiber construction, exclusive interior, and styling inspired by the legendary Type 57 SC Atlantic, the Destrier stands out as one of Bugatti's most exclusive creations. More than a performance machine, it showcases Bugatti's focus on bespoke craftsmanship, heritage, and automotive design. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.